Okay guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you I can make $100 a day on YouTube without even filming anything. Okay, so you don't have to sell any products or nothing. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to YouTube here, and I'll give you an example here with this video. So I use this channel as an example, yeah? So these are videos that he doesn't even make himself. He just uploads them, finds them from other videos on YouTube and uploads them. Okay, so now what we can do is, if we go to, where's it gone? If we go here and we get the link, copy the link address. Now there's a website here called Social Blade, and you can find out here how much they're making in revenue. So this guy, this group, or this channel is making around 960 to 15,000 every month. Now that's crazy, isn't it? Now he's uploaded loads. He's got 894,000 subscribers. And what he does is, I'll show you what he does. What he does is he goes to videos. So for example, let's do motivation videos. Okay, now in the filter here, what you can do in the filter here, if you go to Creative Commons, these videos, you can use any of these videos on your channel, because if you go to the bottom here, it should say at the bottom Creative Commons, you reuse allowed. So this means you can reuse this video. So you can make a channel for weight loss, how to make money, motivation. So for example, if we choose this one, then all you have to do is go to search for motivation videos, search, go to the filter, Creative Commons, and then literally just take these videos. You can upload about 8 videos a day. If you do that aggressively for a month, you can get your rankings really high on YouTube, and then you can start monetizing. So YouTube basically has got a restriction, but it's changed now. You need to get a minimum of 10,000 views. So back in the old days, you could just start a YouTube channel and making money straight away. But now you have to, with this new policy, you have to have 10,000 views minimum. So they keep changing these views. So now it's like 1,000 subscribers as well you need. 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. So it's a lot more harder. But if you're uploading videos, say, I don't know, you just go in here to get 8 videos a day, just upload it for a month, you will go up the rankings, and you can start monetizing. So that's one way. This is one way where you can create passive income through Google Ads, but it requires a bit of work, dedication for the first month or two. Hard work for the first month or two, and then you can just chill, or you can just keep uploading like 2 or 3 videos a day after that. But if you aggressively upload 8 to 10 videos every day, then you will start getting the rankings, and the videos will start ranking, and then your subscriptions and viewings will go up, and you can start monetizing. So yeah, that's one way where you can make 100 or even more than 100 a day. How to get the video and download it. So what I do is, I like this video here, so it's a motivational video here. I'll copy the link and I'll go to this YouTube MP4.2, and I'll just paste it in here, press enter, and you will have options here what you want to download. So 720 MP4, yeah, and then you can just go right click, save video as, and it will save it wherever you want, yeah, as a MP4, and then you can just upload it to your YouTube channel. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.